Hello dear student, let's now start your next chapter, fraction and decimal. In this chapter topic to be covered, proper fraction, improper fraction, equivalent fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction and fraction sum. First we talk about the fraction. What is the fraction? You already know that about a fraction. Fraction is the part of any whole body, a whole number. Okay, fraction is the part of whole things. Fraction is the part of whole things. That means this is the cake, this is the cake, and this one is the part of 1/4. 1/4. If you have any cake, then you divide it into 4 part. Then this is the part of this is the part of this is the part of the whole cake. This is the part of whole cake. Okay, and you divide this cake in 4 part, 1 2 3 4, and this one is the this one is the part of whole cake. That means you can say that if you have a one cake and you divide it in 4 part, then each and every part equal to 1/4. Okay, and if you add 1/4 in 4 times, like 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, then you 1 2 3 4. ठीक है. Okay, look here, 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Then definitely you add this number. You see that denominator is same. Then when denominator is same, then you easily add numerator. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means 4/4, and you divide by, if you reduce 4/4, that means 1, you find 1. Then this is the 1 is the whole part. This is the whole part, and this one is the fraction of this part is the fraction of this cake. Okay, that means fraction is a nothing, but it is the part of whole body or whole things. Okay, next, what is the proper fraction? What is the proper fraction? Proper fraction is a nothing, but when denominator is greater than numerator, like 7/8, this is the proper fraction. This is the numerator. If you say that numerator, and this one is the denominator, then you see in this fraction denominator is greater than numerator, then this fraction is called proper fraction. What is the improper fraction? Improper fraction is a nothing, but when you improper fraction is nothing. Improper fraction is nothing, but when denominator is less than numerator. Okay, or you say that when numerator is greater than denominator, like 12/6, this is the improper fraction. 10/3, this is the improper fraction. Okay, and proper fraction, when denominator is greater than numerator, is called proper fraction. When numerator is greater than denominator, then is called improper fraction. What is the equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction is a nothing but equivalent fraction. What is the equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction is a nothing. But what is the equivalent fraction? Look here. Equivalent fraction is a nothing. Equivalent fraction is nothing but equivalent fraction. What is the equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction is nothing but when you 2/4, 2/4 and 3/6 and 4/8. That means if you reduce by this, this fraction, 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 4 1 4, 4 2 8, then you find that 1/2, 1/2, 1/2 everywhere. Then this fraction is called equivalent fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction, that means each part are equal to each other. Each part are equal to each other. Okay. Next one is a mixed fraction. What is the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a nothing but mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. What is the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is nothing but, look here, mixed fraction. If you have a improper fraction, then you convert mixed fraction like a 4 whole, 3 by 2. Then 2 4 are 8, 8 and 3. This is called the improper fraction. 2 4 are 8, 8 and 3, 11 by 2. And 11, what is the 11 by 2? This is the improper fraction because denominator is the less than numerator. Okay, then this is the improper fraction. Then if you convert improper fraction into in mixed fraction like this. Okay, then next one is a mixed fraction, equivalent fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, like fraction. What is the like fraction? Like fraction is nothing but it is the like fraction. Like fraction is nothing but when you see that 2 by 3, 2 by 6, 2 by 7, 2 by 12, 2 by 16, 2 by 17, then these all the numerator are same. Okay, these all the numerator are same. Okay, then this fraction is called like fraction when denominator or numerator are equal to each other. Okay, equal to each other, or then that fraction is called like fraction. And what is the unlike fraction? Unlike fraction is nothing but it is the combination of proper and improper fraction. Unlike fraction, what is the unlike fraction? Unlike fraction is nothing but this is the combination of unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Unlike fraction is nothing but it is the combination of proper and improper fraction. 9 by 2, this is the improper fraction, and 3 by 7 this is the proper fraction. And again you write proper, improper, proper, improper. This is called the unlike fraction. Okay, dear student, this is the definition of a proper, improper, and a fraction. Okay, next one is a sum of fraction. Sum of fraction. Okay, so let's sum of fraction. Look here, sum of fraction. Sum of fraction. Okay, then in sum of fraction, how to solve this question? Look here, if you have a number 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, then how to solve this number 2 by 3 and 3 by 4? Then you add 2 by 3 and first you same the denominator of both number 3 and 4. Here is the denominator is 3 and here is 4. Then if you multiply in this fraction by 4 numerator and denominator, and in this fraction by 3 numerator and denominator. Look here, if you 2 by 3, your first fraction is 2 by 3. If you multiply by 4 other fraction, if you want to equal the denominator, then you multiply other fraction. Okay, then if you then your answer is 2 by 3 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 and into 4. Then 2 4 ja 8 and 3 4 ja 12. 8 by 12. Okay, and next one is a 3 by 4 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Then your answer is 3 9 and 4 3 ja 12. 9 by 12 and 8 by 12. Then you solve this number easily by this time. You have a 8 by 12. Look here, 8 by 12, 8 by 12, 8 by 12, and second one is 9 by 9 by 12, 9 by 9 by 12. You easily solve this fraction 8 and plus 9, 17, and 17 by 12. Okay, then this is the sum of both fraction. Then again, if you add 3 by 2 plus 2 by 4, 3 by 7, then you if you want to solve this fraction, then you again